Good morning, students. Today we'll be continuing our first chapter revision in your statistics. So, last class we have seen from the origin till the functions we have been seeing. So, today's class will be seeing limitation of statistics. Okay. Now, what is a limitation? Okay, where we can stop the data analysis. Okay, where we can put an end. Okay, this are called as limitation. Okay, where all the things cannot be accepted for everything. So there will be limitation for each and everything. So first one way we saw is it does not deal with individual. As we have seen, one data, okay, homogeneous data or singular data will not be valid for your statistical study. Second one, it does not deal with qualitative data. Qualitative is where something we are describing. Qualitative is something where we are describing. So your beauty, okay, complexity, character, taste, all these things we are describing something. So description cannot be converted into numerical form. So it does not suit for qualitative, only for quantitative, that is numerical data will be analyzed. Then statistical laws are true only on an average. Okay, it will not, we cannot purely depend on a statistical data. Why? Because means the data what we have collected may be false sometimes. Okay, it may be false, it not be true. So only on the true basis we can do the analysis. And even there is a limitations. Okay, the data what we are collecting may be truth only for an extent, average. Okay, after that the data may mislead. Okay, where we will collect the data in a wrong way, so misleading may take place, all those things will be there. So on an average basis you can take the statistical data. Next one is only experts can make the best possible use of statistics. Yes, the statistics study where the masters of, okay, the philosophers of statistics will have the knowledge of the statistics and the best possibility. If this theorem is not working, the next one, okay, they will be having multiple possibilities. Only those people, okay, the expert can use statistics in the best way. Next, statistic analysis, uniformity and homogeneity of data is essential. So here it should be in uniformity, the data what we are collecting. Okay, age of students in classroom 1. Okay, it is an homogeneous. Age is a uniformity. Okay, so the data what we are collecting should be uniformity and in one homogeneous, that is where we will be comparing with only one. Next we have been seeing scope and application of statistics, where statistics and all have been used, in what way it has been used, all those things we have seen. First one was statistic in a state. Okay, how state, why state? Okay, the development of a state is important for a country. So statistic in a state, how we can study statistic in a state means where we'll be having population, study on population, study on unemployment and employment, study on education, that is graduate people. Okay, your changes in your agriculture due to climatic condition. Okay, all this put together in one state. Okay, the income of a state, the expenditure of the state, everything will be studied through statistics only. Then statistic in business. In business means how, means where, what is the standard of this business, where is the standing, that is position of the business, whether is making profit or loss, what is the reason for making profit, how he can increase his profit more, then what is the reason for making loss, what he can do for overcoming the losses. So all this put together in business. Okay, where he has to invest the fund, how much you have to invest, all this will come in your statistics for business. Then statistic in economy means for a country, where the country need to plan its budget, 5 years budget. For that, statistic data is very much important, because they need to distribute the funds in such a way where all these sectors, okay, your education sector, your finance sector, your traveling sector, okay, your railway, all the sectors will get equal the amount. Okay, what is the amount they need for the development? Okay, that money will be distributed equal according to the want for the fund. So for the planning of government, okay, how much tax they need to collect from the public, what type of tax they need to collect, so all this will be taken from your statistic of economy, where all this people, this one will be analyzed by the expert, and they will give guidance for the economists to follow. Then statistic in science, yeah, statistics helps even in the science also. How means your astronomers, okay, where they produce rockets, everything. So recently we have been found there is a water in moon, okay, they have been even let one rocket also, okay, all this way they have been having the past data, okay, past information and data. With that they have been taking the analysis, researches they do, all these things they do, and what they do, they produce, okay, invent new things with present datas. And your medicines, okay, the medicines they have been seen in your backside of your tablets, they'll be given the ingredients, what and all ingredient is given. Everything is in the numerical measurement, what it is in the numerical measurement. For even preparation for a pharmaceutical also statistics is used. Now this ingredients I'm used, I got this tablet, other one I've used, I got other tablet, how much is the power, everything will be done to statistical method. Next basic concept we have been seeing, okay, units or individuals. Under that, where the units, the characteristics are very important. Then population of universe, where the population countable and uncountable we have been seen. Then sample, how the samples have been taken and what are the samples is available. Next, variables, what is variables we have seen and how the variables differs from one to another. Then attribute, then discrete variable, continuous variable, okay, normal scale, ordinal scale. So till here we have been seen. So this is your end of your first chapter, okay. So revision also I have done in two part 1 and part 2. From Monday's class, we will be starting a new chapter, that is organization of data, where this is the just introduction. Then organization of data I will give further more details of your statistic. Thank you students, have a nice day.